look, buddy. I'm
a farm.
That means I solve problems. Not problems like...
Who touched my gun?
Because that would fall within the purview of
Your mother.
I solve practical problems. For instance...
Who touched...
Your mother.
How am I gonna stop some
Black Scottish heavy weapons guy
from tearing me a structurally superfluous new beehive? The answer is
bullet.
and if that don't work, use
150 bullet.
and if that don't work, use
400,000 bullet.
I don't even know where to start with you. I mean, do you even know who you're talking to?
an engineer.
No.
A bad demo, man.
No.
A boat!
No.
Do you have any idea who I am?
No.
Basically, kind of a big deal. You listening?
No.
Okay. Grass hurt people, sun grows, and brother, birds...
Your mother. Your mother.